Splits back with a massive attack. I'm ready with a flow, ready to set go. You thought I ain't never gonna flow like this. Let me give you a little bit of what I do best. I'm ready for the race, ready for the power, ready for the fame, ready for whatever day comes to the game. I'm stepping my game up, I'm changing the lane. Haters gon' hate, I'm ahead of my time. You can't deny the skill that I'm bringing. Feeling the killing I do on the mic, revealing the rhythm. We listen to dim and devour these rappers tonight. No more hibernating, I'll be celebrating the balance over victorious mind. But I ain't saying I'm the best yet, I'm insane, but I got some rappers that I look up to, rappers that get my respect. Let's be clear about the criteria that I mention are from my area. Media don't give a shit, but we don't give a shit. They always be asking me things like split, what is hip-hop for you? It's an explosion, a notion of what I am. Got a flow so unusual and I came with words I rearrange. I body in a page, I gave it a meaning, displaying all my movements, emotions and images.